Hey guys, it's me Jeannie, your spa girl, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about my super smoothies that are great for COVID, okay? And now you know we're in practically we've had COVID here since October of 2019, and I'm living in Florida, which all the northerners with COVID came here. It became a hot spot, and there's still people coming here. So it's real important as a spa girl. I can't go to a lot of spas. The last spa treatment I had was my lips, which I had a syringe of filler put in them to kind of thicken them and make them look younger. And even going into that spa, I had to go through the fever testing as you go in the door to make sure I didn't have a fever, because people are scared about getting COVID, but now we know it's basically in the air. So when someone has it in that location, you could probably get it, but your body can fight COVID and you might not get sick if you eat healthy smoothies every day and start out your day that way. So I'm going to tell you some of my secret ingredients, and I've been telling you guys about how important for your skin, hair, and nails breakfast can be and what you drink. This isn't blended yet, and this is my smoothie, and it has a stalk of aloe gel in here, pure aloe gel, gutted from fresh aloe in my backyard. Then it has lime. I put a little bit of lime juice, fresh lime juice, and then you can see there's peppermint leaves in here. I take a stalk of peppermint leaves from my garden and I pull the leaves off, wash them very good, and I throw them in here. Then I have organic raspberries and blueberries in here also. So I'm getting that fresh aloe, the fresh peppermint straight out of your garden. You can get it at Walmart, Home Depot, and you can grow it. It will grow like wildfire around your house. It's great to have. So I have that in here, and then I have a whole lemon chopped up. So I have lime juice, a whole lemon chopped up, blueberries, raspberries, peppermint leaves, and fresh gutted aloe. And then you shake it up, and it has this rich purple color, and you let it soak. You can let it soak an hour if you want to before you blend it. Then I use my magic bullet here, and I blend it in here. You just stick it in. Take it out, and your fresh smoothie is done, okay? But I'm gonna leave this in here for a second. I like to blend it a lot. I like it really blended. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you why during COVID you should have fresh peppermint and aloe in your backyard. And before I do, I'm gonna tell you, excuse me for having this is my lawn mowing outfit. I'm gonna be outside mowing the lawn with sunblock all over me. And tennis shoes, so that's what I'm doing right after I filmed today. But I wanted you guys to hear about what I'm doing for my COVID smoothies to supercharge my body. And you need to supercharge your body so that you'll be so strong, you'll be able to fight COVID. Because the bottom line is 90% of us are gonna get it, but it's super good that your body can fight it and you won't even feel the symptoms. So, okay, here's the thing about mint. It makes a delicious and healthy addition to many foods and beverages. It's easy to add. Research demonstrates that it can also supercharge your skin and really help your skin and make your skin look amazing. It can improve your brain function and digestive systems. It can even relieve breastfeeding pain for mothers who are breastfeeding if they take mint. It can relieve cold symptoms and even bad breath. It's loaded with antioxidants. Okay, now mint can also help brain health. Another thing about mint is mint can also help you if you have stomach upset, and mint can even help you lose weight. So mint is really, really good to put into your smoothies, and if you look it up, there's just amazing health benefits. It's loaded with antioxidants and great for your digestion. Now, aloe is used in all the islands around the world. Island people and the Egyptians have known back as far back as 6,000 years ago that it's great for you. The usage of aloe was regarded in ancient days in Egypt and by the Mayans as something that could help with your physical beauty. Even the dead were embalmed with aloe vera because of its antibacterial and antifungal qualities. And that's why I use it on my skin. When I gut my aloe, I don't throw away this green skin of the aloe after I get the gel out. I rub it up and down my body, especially before I go out and mow the lawn. Like I put it all over my legs today because it is great antibacterial and antifungal, and it's super good for moisturizing and hydrating your skin. So I have aloe vera outside every door in my house, and my new house will also have it. It's linked to health benefits such as that aloe can reduce your blood sugar levels, your inflammation. It can reduce dental plaque. You can even put a little of the gel on your toothbrush. And you won't even taste it. It can improve your memory, and it's loaded with antioxidant defenses and chlorophyll. The islanders and the Egyptians and the Mayans and all of the ancient Greeks and Romans believed it to fight and cure digestive disorders, including poor digestion, constipation, acidity, and gas. It's also beneficial in boosting your appetite and keeping a check on your weight gain. Aloe vera juice flushes constipation out and toxins out of your body. And that is one of the number one reasons why I take it internally in my smoothie, and that this smoothie has at least 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in it. And if you put it with the raspberries and the blueberries that are organic and the lime juice, you won't even taste the aloe vera gel. You'll smell it a little when you put it on your body, but you won't taste it. So I wanted to let you guys know, do that. Protect yourself from COVID. Have this smoothie every day. I also put flaxseed on an English muffin too, because flaxseed's great for you too. And you know, I'm your spa girl. I care about my skin, my hair, and everything. And I want to go through my 50s looking and feeling younger. This 7 Wonders Miracle Lotion I've told you about before, that's amazing. And it has 13 herbs and 7 natural oils in it with aloe. It's called 7 Wonders Miracle Lotion. I found it again. It has come back. I told you guys it went scarce. Everyone was buying it. You couldn't buy the 7 Wonders paraben-free miracle lotion anywhere anymore. Whole Foods didn't have it. Economy, Health Foods didn't have it. Sprouts didn't have it. Earth Fare didn't have it. Now it's back on Amazon, and I got a bottle, and I think I only paid like $15. So I love the miracle lotion. You put it on your hands, it's thick. After I put aloe on, I put it on my hands at night and I rub it on my legs. And it's so good, and I love to put it on even before I mow the lawn with my sunblock. It just really is nice and thick, and you can smell the pineapple in it really strong, and it just is fabulous. It has almond oil, sesame oil, sunflower oil, it has coconut in it, it's cherry bark root, slippery elm. If you can get this, I mean, I can't even name all of them. There's so many great things in it. If you can, this is a bomb. If you can get the 7 Wonders Miracle Lotion on Amazon, I would order 4 bottles, because it probably, you won't be able to get it again. And I'm telling you, it just makes you feel great and smell amazing. That's all I wanted to talk to you guys about today. I wanted you all to know that you can have organic herbs growing in your backyard and use them in your smoothie, and it can change your entire life and your health. They've even learned that aloe and peppermint can reduce diabetes in people and lower your cholesterol. So all of these things, organic, are just amazing for you. So I'm going to be doing a YouTube channel on growing organics in your backyard eventually, but right now I'm still the spa girl, and I'm still into looking and feeling younger. Try this smoothie, you guys. You won't be sorry. This is your spa girl, Jeannie. Please be sure to like my channel. Any questions, put them below, whether it's on getting your lips plumped, hydrating your skin, healthy smoothies, anything you want to know about the blepharoplasty. Leave me your questions below or your comments. I love reading them. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll answer you back right away. I want you to fight COVID too. There are 100 cases a day of COVID in South Florida. I'm afraid to go visit my own mom because of it. So guys, you gotta empower yourself because there's gonna be more viruses coming from the Chinese. We all know it. They're very unsanitary over there and they torture animals. So we know we've got to be super bodies. We've got to be strong. Exercise and eat right. This is your spa girl. Try to look and feel younger. You guys can do it. Bye.